But before we do, I want to show you guys some success stories that I've had. I posted on Twitter. I just had a scalp and did 51% on it, and these things are nice. I mean, I swear they hit the spot. Hello everyone and welcome. I'm your host Jitsuko Toshiro, bringing you all of the cryptocurrency market updates. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, I am doing a $1,000 giveaway for the first 1,000 subscribers, and to enter a chance to win, the details are in this pinned video. If you guys like this content, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and I'll show you guys exactly what I'm trading and when I'm trading it. Today's going to be a daily crypto update, so let's go ahead and get started, and we're taking a look at Bitcoin first. So as you can see here, we're on the daily time frame with Bitcoin, and it's just been consolidating within this range, and this is basically an ascending channel. We really established it firmly. You can see that we've had our tops here, and we're riding the tops more than the bottom. So this is a very interesting position that we're in. Right now, we're at this key resistance that has been playing a significant role in Bitcoin since January. And you can see that no matter how much we're trying to break out of this resistance, we've attempted at least 6 times. We've just been wicking above without a daily close above it. This is similar to price action that we've seen in the past, where we've had an ascending type of channel, and this ascending type of channel usually gives in. So what I would recommend right now, especially with the macro economy looking the way it does, is a short position would do well right now. A low leverage short position that can handle a little bit more upside. This is an excellent time to get in. So if you're looking at a longer swing, this is the time to really establish your shorts. Let's go ahead and take a look 4 hour really quick, and then we'll move forward with the next coins. And as you can see with the 4 hour, we're getting this type of M pattern. These M patterns, they break to the downside. I did a video on M patterns, so if you're interested in learning about them, please just click on another video that I have. But an M pattern is basically what it sounds like. It's an M pattern, and we're getting these M's all through this ascending channel. This is showing signs of weakness. Let's go ahead and look at Ethereum, the next token to talk about. I did show you guys an ascending channel in the past. We're still trading within that range. We deviated underneath it. Obviously, it grabbed a few shorts and it came back up, and we're still trading within this range. This ascending channel does have deviations to the upside and the downside. The more we trade within this range, the more likely you are to make profit. So this is a trader's dream here. This is a trader's dream because the supports and the resistances are established really well. I do have a downside target of 1350. I'm just waiting for the ascending channel to break down. Now, we've had one in the past as well, as you can see here. And it's interesting to see that it just collapsed way low. The one thing that I want to show you guys though with the Ethereum price action is the June lows haven't been taken out yet. And I do have my eyes on those June lows. These June lows are showing weakness, and I think that we will get there eventually. It's just going to take some time. Let's take a look at BNB, and BNB is looking very interesting. Let's look at the daily time frame. As you can see on the daily time frame, we're respecting that downward sloping resistance, and we're reaching kind of this convergence of this horizontal resistance and this diagonal resistance. This is a double type of resistance. We're consolidating here for a few days. I did mention that we might bump up to 338, 339, and then head lower. It's just a matter of time of figuring out what's going to happen. If you do want to short anything, I recommend low leverage shorts right now, just because the market is very interesting. It might come up and deviate above this resistance to grab a few more longs and then head lower. That's typically the case when it comes to these tokens. We've consolidated here in this range, and if you guys follow me on Twitter, I called a trade signal, and the reason why is I'm seeing very similar price structure. So right here we had a big move to the downside, we consolidated, and then we moved up. I think that's what's happening here. We had a move to the downside, we're consolidating, and now we're pretty much sitting really well on this support. I think we'll deviate up above to maybe the 340s one more time before we head lower. So keep that in mind if you're looking for a short position. This is a good one to look for. And then another thing I want to look at is Solana. Solana is trading at $25. I told you guys 25 is the key area to enter your short. So $25 to $30 is a good range to enter your short. And it should be a low leverage short if you're going to ride this all the way down to the $6 target. If you look at the macro chart, we did come up, we retested the breakdown of the head and shoulders, and now we're going to head back down and pretty much test those lows that we broke out of. We you know, crypto doesn't like these V-shaped bottoms. So if you see a V-shaped bottom, just remember that we will come back and test those lows. So we will at least see $7 with Solana. It did do amazing. It did a 3x just on spot all the way up to $25 from the lows. And I think now it's time for it to come back down. Last but not least, the DXY. The DXY is looking solid. So we have this U-shaped type of bottoming formation. We broke out of the descending channel, and now we're pretty much testing our limits, trying to go up higher. So we're at an interesting spot for the DXY. If it breaks up above, the next target is going to be the 107 and the 108. Those are the next areas. It's going to be a straight moonshot for the DXY. It's just a matter of time. It might come back down and retest the descending channel resistance here as support and then head higher. It's just a matter of time as to when. And I told you guys, be patient with the DXY and be patient with the rest of the cryptocurrency market if you're leveraging your shorts. Just because, you know what? At the end of the day, these things take time to play out, especially the larger swings. So just hang tight on that. And that's pretty much it for today. That's our cryptocurrency daily update. If you guys like this content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Short and sweet. Right now we're oversold, so look for some short positions. We're going to come back down a little bit. And I think that if you do this with low leverage, you are in good shape. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys like this content. I'm doing a $1,000 giveaway for the first 1,000 subscribers. And then follow me on Twitter, where I give you guys trade alerts and I give you guys real-time updates regarding the cryptocurrency market. Other than that, please take care. Good luck trading and let me know what types of trades you're doing. Best of luck and thanks.